everybody, happy Tuesday. For my second story, I have a book called Lone Wolf. It's written by Sarah Kurpiel and it's published by HarperCollins, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. This book is about a family dog, and everybody that's been watching these knows how much I love my dogs. Charlie joins me for many of our story times, so you know how important the dog is. And look at all these pictures of the dog. Maple loved being the Parker family dog. Every day she played tug of war with Jax, read with Avery on the couch, and tricked Mom and Dad into giving her extra treats and taking her on extra long walks. And let me tell you, my dogs love tricking us into giving them extra treats, and they really love their long walks. But on her walks, people would say, "Dude, that dog looks like a wolf. Are you sure she's not part wolf? Wolf, wolf, wolf." The Parkers tried to explain that Maple was not, in fact, a wolf. They actually did a whole chart about wolves. Eventually, though, even Maple had her doubts. And this is a whole chart about huskies, and that's what kind of dog Maple is. And it says that the eyes are sometimes blue, they have unique face patterns, they have different coat colors, they often have curly tails, and they can be sled dogs. She looked more like a wolf than all the other dogs. She could hunt like a wolf, howl like a wolf, and dig like a wolf too. Does anybody have a husky? Does anybody have a neighbor with husky? My neighbors have a husky, and she's beautiful. Maybe she was a wolf, and wolves belong in the wild, not in houses or dog parks, not on couches or sidewalks. So one day, when the fence was open just an inch for just a moment, an inch and a moment was all it took. And what did she do? It looks like she escaped. It says she's going to the forest preserve. But out in the wild, the ground was tougher than Dad's flower garden. Squirrels were harder to hunt than Avery's flip-flops. And the perfect tug-of-war stick was just a stick if Jax wasn't on the other end. So maybe it wasn't so great being outside all by herself. Would Mom even hear her if she howled? Uh-oh. Maple didn't want to be a wolf anymore. Doesn't she look sad? Then she remembered it was time for her evening walk. Maple never missed a walk, so she followed her nose out of the woods and through the neighborhood, and on her walk, she found... Who did she find? Her pack! She found her family. And look, can you see that? They were all out looking for her. Look at all those flashlights. Some people still thought Maple was a wolf, but Maple knew who she really was. And who was she? She was a Parker, and she was right where she belonged. And this is Maple. She lives in a pack with her family. She's usually thinking about bones. She does have pointy ears. She hunts stuffed animals. She has a curly tail, and she can often be found on the couch. The end. And this book also has a fantastic end page. It has all these different kinds of books. Isn't that really cool? I hope you enjoyed the story, and if you liked it, come in and check it out. I would also love to know if you have a dog, or maybe a neighbor has a dog. Let me know all about it. I'd love to hear from you. So let us know on our Instagram page. I'll be back on Thursday with a really fun book, another brand new book to read to you. So until then, I hope you have a great couple days, and I'll see you back here soon.